Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. There's the camper. Just put a window in it. There's the piece I cut out. And here are my helpers that have been here helping me. They're on break right now. That's Darius and Maximus, my two grandsons. They come over and they were helping. And they actually did help. They're handing me stuff. They're handing me tools. Help me do everything. I got a couple things here I got to touch up on it as well. But she's getting there. It's the first time I've had a window on this side. And yeah, we'll go in here. You know, it's a mess. I've been working on it. But I'm going to finish up the inside too. This is temporary right now. I'll finish it up. But I got it in here so it's working. And it's got a good frame on it. And actually I'm going to try and cover the inside of this camper, because I have all the insulation and the wood, the luan, just like the bottom. It'll match the bottom. And here's the little window I got on this side, and that's where I put the air conditioning unit. So when I have the AC unit in it, I didn't have any windows. And I might get another small window for over here, so when the AC is in, I will have another window. But I'm not going to do that just yet. But anyway, oh yeah, here's our Christmas tree for the camper. But anyway, it's a little update. Oh, God. Yeah, I don't know if you can see me. But there was a little update on the camper I've been working on and everything. And I'm going to go over here, ask the wife. How's, can you see me in here?
Yes.
Okay, can you hold that? Thank you. Yeah, don't touch any buttons. Anyway, that's it. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the camper and my helpers. So, thank you, and y'all have a good weekend, and we'll see you next time. And say hi, Max.
Hi.
Darius, say hi. Okay, yeah, they're over at Pop-Pops, and they help, so they get sugar now, in case you couldn't tell. All right, y'all take care. Have a good one.